Hello guys, and welcome back to Wilf IT channel videos. Today I'm going to do a video on how you can create a new project and save it on your online repository. It could be Bitbucket, it could be GitHub, or some other website for doing that. So today, just as these projects here, these repositories, all of them have been saved online. It's actually to enable you to work on a project on your local machine, and you save it directly online, so that in case your machine, your hard disk has a crash, you don't go on repeating everything again from scratch. You can download it from where you did your last commit or your last save, your last point of save, and you continue from that point exactly. So, and this also enables you to work in group. Maybe if you're interested, you could write a comment so that I could plan on a video on doing that next time. So let us start. I decided to work on a Laravel project to show how to create a Laravel project, and I chose Laravel project because actually first I didn't want to just do text editors and just write some few text and save it to you and show that to you that's how Bitbucket works. I actually wanted to show you how a project all on its own functions, okay? And also because I do some Laravel, not only Laravel, I do a couple of other web development languages. So let us start to create a Laravel project. Composer create. Project. Preferred list. Laravel. Actually, for those who don't work on Laravel, you need not worry. Actually, it's just a choice. You could do the same thing on your own project. Our project name, let us call it online repository, since you are planning to save it online repository. Okay, let's run it. Actually, this command is going to take like 2 or 3 minutes, so am I gonna pause it just for you to see how everything is going on. Okay, everything is completed, and let's go to our document, to our folder, cd online repository. Okay, here's our application. Let's try to run it. PHP artisan serve. It's running, so you can come here and type localhost 8000. Actually, I typed localhost 8000 because it's the link provided to me by the server, by my local server. So it's running, so this is our application running, and let's try to do some editing on this website. Let's not just be Laravel showing there, so that okay, how's the change, and do you want to reload it? No. New folder, htdocs, What is that? Uploads and online repository. Open that. Okay. We're gonna close this. No. So this is our application. So let's come to the route and like do something like, let me comment this, and rather than showing us Laravel, I'm going to display another message like, welcome to, let me say, to this video on let me take it short, save, Control S, let me come and run it once more. Okay, welcome to this video. You can see actually we are working on this application. So let me come here and delete this and save it back. Come on, run it. Tell you it's slow. My server. Come on, come on. Okay. So now what are we going to do? Now we have to come and create a new repository for this application. So we're gonna come create repository. Repository name will be online, like just like the project name, online repository. Repository, this is a private repository. Actually, when we click here, sorry, my system got some couple of add-ons that keep popping on. So access level private repository actually means that this project, this repository will be accessed only by authorized users. Like if you're working in a group, that you give access only to your group members to access this document, this project, and equally do some modifications or read the source code or download it to your local machines. And if you let it be, and if you uncheck it, it means that everybody can access it. You can, like some people literally give their source codes to everyone. Like you can come to my Git repository and download the code and work with it. And here I will choose repository type Git, that we are working on Git repository. Another choice is Mercurial. So we click on create repository. So okay, now it's created. So our repository is empty, as you can see. It's still empty. So what we could do here, we could come here, stop our server, and first we have to initialize our documents, initialize the whole folder like Git. Okay, now we're going to do the initialization of our files using the command git-init. This is actually to initialize an empty Git repository on your local machine, on your local computer. Then we are going to add all the files existing, git add, and we use the dots. Dot actually means everything. We could actually add them manually, like type in every file that exists here. Like you see here, we could go like git add apps, git add.env. It will take like a couple of minutes to do that. So we use git add dot to add all the files. So everything is added. Now what are we going to do? We are going to go on and do the git commit, save the project as it is, git commit, the /m, sorry, the -m, actually it means message. because every commit must have a descriptive message describing what we are saving at which point of the project we are. So we're going to call this initial commit of full repository. So okay, so everything has been saved, everything has been committed. So now we are going to come back to this page and to the page in our bitbucket, and we have to say we have an existing project. So now what are we going to tell us? We have already done part of it, so we have to go to our project root directory, and we have to connect your existing repository to bitbucket. Like we have to connect that repository to our bitbucket, like what the last commit we just did, we have to connect it to our bitbucket account. So we copy this code and just come and paste it here, press enter, it's done. And next, now we have to you gotta push it online. Jet push origin master. Okay, now it pops up that we need to enter a password. When you create your account, you enter your password. So enter my password, loading, and okay, everything done. So now what are we gonna see? How are we going to know everything is already online? We're just gonna come to source, touch the routes. So actually it is all our files that we created that are already online. Now your PC may have a crash, you just come and download it, so everything is there. So now what if we do some editing on our local machine, like we want to add some files? Like let's come to resources, views, and we add maybe file, new file, and we call it and we save it as about, or let me just save it as home.blade.php. Save, and we copy. Let's just get this, copy this, put it here, say welcome home. Welcome to our home page. Save it, and we come to our route and add a new route, or get, put it like home function. Open this and tag it with return view home, semicolon, save it, and if we run it here, we have home. Let's see what it gives. Sorry, we didn't start our web server. And do it PHP artisan serve. Okay, hello to our home page. Oh, sorry, welcome to our home page. welcome to our home page. Okay, so now we can see that here we have some modifications done, but it's not yet up to date on our, if we refresh this, it's not yet up to date on our route online, on our online repository. Like if we come to source, and we come to resources, like here on our resource, in our resources you have views. After welcome we just added home, this one. But here when we come to views, you just have welcome here. It's not yet up to date. So in order to update this, we have to do a couple of commands. First we need to do the git add. We need to add everything. We need to add it to our repository. Every update, like we got to do git status. Everything is added successfully in green. Now we go and commit it. Git commit, still a descriptive message. Now we got to say edit our route. We edited the route. Actually, this is a descriptive message. It's the route about the home page. Okay, enter. Okay, the commit is done. Now we got to push it. Git push origin master. Now we got to push it online. Password again, yes, required for safety purpose. Okay, it's green. Okay, done. So now we can come here and we do some refresh. Go back to our source, go to resources, views. Okay, this is our new page we just created, home. It's automatically, it's added, not automatically, but it's all the code we've been writing. So please, let's go and also see our routes file, route folder, our web. So please do comments, just drop a thumbs up if you like the video, or write a comment just down below so that and say whatever you feel about the video, so that next time I can change something you don't feel at ease about it. So thank you for watching, and you are always welcome back. Please just leave a thumbs up or like a comment. Thank you.